Hi, welcome to Python learning. So in this video, we are going to see about input function in Python programming. So how the input function is working, that is what we are going to see here. I am going to start the Python program by using the Python script. For that, first select file, then new file. The Python script will be opening. First I'll save the file with the extension .py. Then I'm going to start the program here. First I'm going to create the variable x and typing int of input, enter the number 1. So this int of input, so in this the input function will get the value from the user, and this int function will change the input value into the integer value. So this is explicit conversion. So input means the user have to give the input, so it's a user defined one, and integer value will change the particular value into the integer value. So I am getting another variable y, that is also the same type. Enter number 1, number 2, and here two variables x and y, both are under the type of integer, and both the values will be get from the user. So int is the integer type of data. Here int is used as explicit converter, which means what we give as input will be converted as the integer type of data. So that is what the input function will do here. Okay, so whatever we are giving, whatever value the user is giving as input, it will be changed as the integer. So like that we are getting two variables, that is x and y. So the next I am giving print statement. Print function will print the statement whatever we are giving. So the statement has to be given with double quotes, inside the double quotes. So here I am printing in double quotes the sum, and what value will be printed here means the sum of x and y. So x plus y. So the added value of x and y will be given. So now save the file, then run the file. To run the file, you can give F5 or else go to run and press run module. So in output I am giving two numbers 10 and 11, and I am getting the sum value of both the number. Sum is equal to 21. To see the output, you have to press F5 or else run menu and click run module. So this is the output for the program. So in this program we saw about the input function. Thank you.